cardboard boxes, all made with machines. But don't throw them away. You can use them to make all kinds of interesting toys, including yo-yos. Now, I happen to be the world's worst exponent of the yo-yo, but I do know that you can make a yo-yo that really works out of a cardboard box. Start with a thick piece of cardboard, preferably one with double corrugations because it's very strong. And then mark out on it 2 large circles and 1 small circle. Then cut them out with a pair of sharp scissors or a safety knife. That'll take you several minutes to do it carefully. And you'll end up with this. Looks like 3 wheels, doesn't it? 2 big, 1 small. And you're going to assemble those to make your yo-yo. Now, you can use ordinary cardboard wheels like that if you like, or you can decorate them. And I've decorated these 2 by simply adding some coloured paper. You'll notice that I've found the very centre of each wheel and made a little hole there. I did that with a nail. There we are. And the centre wheel is the vitally important one because that's the one that forms the axle of the yo-yo. Can you see what I've done with this one already? I've tied a piece of string around it. You can do it after the yo-yo is assembled, but I find it easier to do it right now, and it makes it quicker. Okay, here we go. The next thing is a paper clip to fasten the 2 together. I find this kind that has 2 legs that separate and spread out is the easiest one to use. Push it through 1/2 of the yo-yo. There we are. Right through there. Put it down on the table. Now place the small wheel, the axle, in the centre, and then the second one on top. Make sure it's lined up. Push it down. Put your thumb underneath if need be, and then press together very tightly and bend over those little legs. Make sure that the 3 wheels sit together as closely as they can. There we are. And you should find that there's just a narrow gap between them. There we are. And if we're lucky, that should work as a yo-yo. Now, as you know, it's possible to either start by winding up a yo-yo this way, or if you're very clever, you can wind it up from the bottom of the string. I'll leave you to do that yourself. But once you've wound it up, you can then test it out, see if it really works. Ready, set, go. There it is. Now, it's a fairly slow old yo-yo, but it does work up and down, and maybe you'll be clever enough to do some tricks with yours as well. That's only one sort of yo-yo you can make from scraps around the home. If you have some old bottle tops, and I'm sure you do, get 2 that are exactly the same size and weight, and then find a little fastener. One of these little rivet fasteners that screws together is ideal. They're used in photographic albums and all sorts of things. Then a couple of pieces of modelling clay or plasticine. The modelling clay provides weight for the yo-yo, and weight is very important for this little device. Now, when you put all those bits and pieces together, it'll look something like this. There's the modelling clay sitting inside those lids or outside wheels. It provides weight for the wheels so that once they start spinning, they'll tend to keep on spinning. That's called momentum, and that's why a yo-yo works. Let's see if this one does. Down and up again. Down and up again. Those are 2 yo-yos made from scraps from around the home. I want you to make those 2 and then see if you can design and build another one made from different kinds of scraps.